Hi everybody, another guest bedroom and another ensuite for our teams this week, and Tom and Sarah Jane took out the win, and I could not agree more. Their guest bedroom was absolutely divine. It was full of heart, soul. This is such a wonderful expression of style and personality and flair that Sarah Jane in particular has used in the room this week. I thought that tartan wallpaper was absolutely incredible, complemented all the finishings beautifully, and the powder room, the ensuite were utterly divine, and particularly those blues and lilac in the powder room just absolutely spoke to my heart. I also thought Omar and Oz did a beautiful job again this week. I love the way that they will use different shapes and ways of laying tiles. I thought that is such a genius and really cost-effective way to add a bit of flair and panache to a house. I thought it was beautiful. Also loved Rachel and Ryan, and I love seeing them bit by bit just get a bit braver and a bit bolder. And I hope this is Rachel also just kind of experimenting in different ways with different textures and surfaces. That beautiful sink, the amazing bench. They're really embracing the country, and I thought the wallpaper in their room also was absolutely beautiful. So all in all, I'm loving seeing the teams really growing confidence and pouring their heart and soul into these rooms.